Hello guys, welcome to our channel Infinity Vision. Before we start the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our channel. In this video, we are going to see about what is introduction to C language and what is C language and some examples and some procedures how the English language command of C language gets converted into the computer understanding language and how the computer performs. Introduction to C programming. C program is a general purpose high level language. It was developed by Dennis Ritchie at AT&T Bell Laboratory in the year of 1972. C program was derived from the B language to overcome the limitation of the C. Likewise, the C++ also developed to overcome the limitation of the C language. What is a language? In this world, the most important thing is communication. There is a lot of languages like English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu. For example, consider now I am teaching you in the English language. I know only English. If you have any queries or any questions or any doubts, you have to ask with me to clear your doubts. The reason is there. The reason is to get the answer. Likewise, we want to communicate with the computer. We need to learn any of the languages perfectly. Likewise, C, C++, Java, Python, etc. Likewise, C language. Why we need C language? It means, for example, if you want to calculate 2 into 2, you can easily say 4. But if you want to calculate 256 into 256, it will be quite difficult to solve you. It means for performing a complex operation, we are using this language. We are using this language. Using the C language, we can communicate with system or any other electronic devices. It is a procedure oriented or structure oriented language. Why it is called procedure oriented or structure oriented means because it divides the problem into the smaller parts that will be enclosed in the function. The larger parts will be converted into the smaller parts and that will be enclosed in the function. What is function? That we will see in the coming videos. Consider guys, if one person can communicate with other person, they can easily communicate with them. For example, if the person want to communicate with the computer, he need to learn any of these languages perfectly. For example, now here is the source code. X is equal to 15 and y is equal to 55. Z is equal to x into y. Print Z. Now the source code. This is the source code. The source code is ready now. But if you give command to that command, but if you directly give to the computer, that will be rejected. The computer won't understand this source code. There is one important thing is there, that English, this is the English language commands, convert that it will be go to the compiler. That compiler only converts the English language commands into the binary language. The compiler only converts this English language C program commands into the binary language, and then only the computer performs the task. It consists of ones and zeros only. It can understand only binary language. See the procedure guys. First we write the commands in the English based C language. That will be sent to the compiler, and that compiler that converts the English based commands convert into the ones and zeros, and then the numbers are fed to the computer, and then at last the computer read the commands and perform the task. The applications of the C program, C language. The C language is used in hardware components like your pen drive and development of softwares and various electronics, etc. Here is a simple program to print the word, to print any word. These are the hash include stdioh and the hash include conio.h. These are the header files. The hash include is used for to print for the printf for the input and output command. And the hash include conio.h it is used for the console operations. It means to maintain the status of the network. And void main, this is the function. Printf, if you want to print any word in the C program, we need to print the printf, and then we have to write anything in this. The output will be welcome to all. What you write in the printf, that will be displayed in the output. Thank you guys. If you have any doubt in this video, please comment it below. I will try to clear your doubts in the next video. Thank you.